everyone, it's your girl again, Cassandra Haynes. Today we'll be making vegan chocolate cupcakes. Amazing. It's gluten-free, it's vegan, and wonderful for children who have gluten intolerance. So come join me, let's make it together. First of all, we'll be starting with the wet ingredients. We need some milk. I'm using coconut milk, vanilla extract, there's coconut oil, and apple cider vinegar. Sounds crazy, right? But let's do this. So first, put that in. And then the dry ingredients are sugar, I'm using brown sugar, sea salt, baking soda, baking powder, and some spelt flour. I know, right? Spelt flour. It's amazing. Everything is gonna come out exactly as it should, so don't worry about it. Just gonna put everything in here, and then we blend. My hands are clean, so make sure yours are clean as well before you start, okay? Make sure. And some cocoa powder as well. Forgot to mention that. But don't forget, the ingredients will all be at the description tool down. So whenever this is done, you could always just check that yourself. And then we blend. Oh, this is delicious. Looks amazing. Very nice. Get my cupcakes pan. Put this in the oven for roughly about 15-20 minutes. Really doesn't take too long. This would serve maybe about 6 to 8 people. So we're going to put this in the oven. And next, we'll be making our icing for the cupcakes. So what we would need would be some butter, some vegan butter, some icing, and some vanilla extract. So let's go. so delicious. Let's dig in. Come, try some with me. This is so yummy. You have to try this. Definitely. Only takes about 30 minutes. Try this out and let me know what you think on the comments. So that's it, guys. Cupcakes is ready. Tastes delicious. And don't forget to subscribe and like if you like this. And obviously share with your friends for a delicious recipe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.